Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best insurance agent leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So today we're going to Washington, D.C. We are just going to increase the radius as it is such a big city to 30. I'm going to add that and lock it in. We are looking for insurance agents today, any insurance industry. So I'm going to hit that to add it, and I'm going to hit next to lock it in. Seniority options, we're looking for owners and founders, and we're looking for directors and executives. Just in case the owners has a C-suite title, it'll account for this case. Next, we are going to go to filters. And today, again, I'm coming at this as if I'm a digital marketing agency or digital marketer. So the first thing I want to know is I want to know Google reviews. I'm going to leave the count alone, and I just want to know review score. And I just want companies between a 3 and a 5, because when you set your review score between a 3 and a 5, you're targeting companies that have a great relationship with their customers, with their clients, and the benefit for you is that they'll probably have a great relationship with you. You don't want anybody that is not well perceived by the people they already work with. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. We also want advertisement pixels. So advertises on Facebook or advertises on Google or advertises on LinkedIn. I had next to lock that in. And the reason why we want these advertisement pixels is it's a good way to show that these companies at least care about marketing somewhat, is if they have this ad pixel on their website. So it's a good way to baseline just determine 100 companies that are somewhat interested in marketing and have a good relationship with their customers. And that's all we need for our filter. So we're going to go to our deliver section, and we really want to lock in on these marketing metrics. So Google review count, Google review score, GMB profile, GMB claimed. We're going to ignore direct dial as they're already getting like a direct email. Company Facebook profile, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter. For insurance agents, these aren't going to be that important, but if it does look impressive, they're struggling with SEO, but their social media is doing really well, like that's such a good indicator that these people are just spending marketing in the wrong place. So a great lead for you to pursue and try to sell your services to. Revenue headcount data savage, great for determining like the best leads to email right away, taking your 100 good leads into 20 great leads. Data savage shows company maturity. Revenue is like a guaranteed that if how much money these people are relatively making, you'll know if they're able to afford your services for 6, 12, 18 months, etc. Right? You do want all the ad pixels, and you do want these technologies: Google Analytics, WordPress, e-commerce, page speed, and then your SEO metrics as well. And with that being said, just select all of them. Next, we're not going to add any additional notes. We're just going to finish that up. Make sure to give your task a title, set the context required, save a draft just in case you want to cancel your task to change something, like add another filter, remove a filter. You don't have to start from scratch. But with that being said, we're going to launch that. Insurance agents in Washington, D.C. It's allocating, which means it's in our team's hands, and it should be ready for you within 24 hours. And with that being said, this is how you find the best insurance agent leads using Coldlytics. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.